what about the Bermuda Triangle? Because on one of your tapes...
The Bermuda Triangle is a magnetic force field that goes as deep down pyramid-wise as it does up. Most of the extraterrestrials that come from this side of the black hole, their machines...
What do you mean the black hole?
Well, let me finish one thought at a time. You're smarter than me. Let me move slow.
Oh, okay, sorry.
So their Ta'ira, or their ships, right, run off electricity, as you know, electrical energy. So they pull over the Bermuda Triangle and certain other pyramids in order to recharge themselves. American ships or earthborne craft who run off fuel, they're still in the Piscean air, the water air. They haven't transformed to the Aquarian age, which is the era of electrical energies. They're still driving their ships off fuel and driving their cars off fuel, but they all will catch up soon enough. These men drive these ships through these force fields and get snatched into other dimensions or crushed down into nothing. It's nothing but electrical energy. That's exactly what happened. What is the next question?